What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at this 2023 Northwood Fox Mountain 265 RDS. It is a short and stubby little fifth wheel that can go pretty much anywhere. We're going to take a look on the inside, walk around on the outside, and I'll also in the meantime show you the weights on this. So let's get started. All right, so coming into the door here, you can see instantly you have your booth table over here. This also folds down into a bed. That table actually slides back and forth too, so it kind of gives you some more room and workability. You can see it's closer over here and not over here. It's because it's slid over that way, so it's very versatile. Great table. You can see you do have the day and night shades in this. Let me show you how that works. So you just pull this down and you can see that you have the separate night shade there, or you can lift this all the way up and all that goes up, and you can have a clear view as well. So you do have storage here above your table. Nice bit of storage up here. And this does go all the way through, so there's no divider in this upper storage, so you can put some, longer things up here and not be restricted on that. You do have those nice lights. Turn that away. You do have those nice lights there above your table as well. You do have storage here underneath too. It goes back. You can see that light back there. There's also a pass-through storage back there from the outside that you can access. I'll show you that too here in a second. All right, so there's that table. Coming around on this side, you have a tri-fold sofa, so you can fold that out into an actual bed. You can sleep too pretty comfortably on that, but it's also a great place to sit. So you have your windows here and nice lights above your couch too. Coming over here, you do have a propane refrigerator. This is a propane electric refrigerator. So again, this is a 2023 and it comes with this instead of the 24 and newer models are going to come with 12-volt refrigerators. So we'll hold off on that. We'll come over here to the kitchen. You can see all this nice space that you have, storage over here for the kitchen. You do have a Jensen DVD player right here, along with all these nice drawers. Go ahead and open these things up for you so you can take a look at them. All right, and you do have a 120-volt receptacle there hiding behind all this counter space. So you've got your TV here in front of your couch, and it is also on a swivel arm, so you just pull this and the TV swings out. Nice little bit of storage up here. Let's see, here above the microwave, you do have some more storage, and you do have that's a smaller microwave, but hey, you can't really complain. It's a microwave, so that's good. You do have a Vent-A-Hood, along with a 3-burner cooktop here, and a knife storage behind that as well. All right, drum roll for the oven. It's a rotisserie chicken. It's a baked chicken kind of deal. It's not a chicken nugget oven, at least. It's definitely not a turkey oven, that's for sure. Let's open some more of these cabinets. Ooh, that's nice. Nice deep storage here. Okay. Also, you do have the frameless windows on this unit as well. So get that extra little classy look. You do have the frameless dual pane windows. So that's how those work. All right, let's look here at the sink. You've got a double basin sink, so a 2-basin sink. Nice thick countertops as well. I like this, and this is a pull-out too. That looks a little fancier than most. All right, coming down here, you can see, yes, you do have access to most of the plumbing in here. Also, there's your water pump too. So I like that you have access there and it's not hidden behind a panel, or you can only guess if it's leaking or not. You can actually check it when it's under here like this. Nice bit of storage there too. Let's check these drawers out. All right. Another thing that you have on this 265 RDS is you have fresh gray and black tank heaters. I really like that too. So what does this do? Oh, that's a ceiling fan. So you do have a ceiling fan in here too. I don't know if we're going to get power to that. No, we're not, because we're not on 120 volt. But I do have all the 12 volt stuff hooked up. Here's your thermostat for that Coleman Mach air conditioner that's up here. Alrighty. We'll go ahead and head up the steps these 2 steps here. Nice big window as you step up. And again, it does have the day-night shades. So I like that too. I like that color too. Okay, coming around, here is your bathroom. You do have a plastic sink. You've got a faucet here and also a decent little medicine cabinet. Oh, those are neat. Okay, towel holder. Got a bathroom light here and then 120 volt next to it. Let's see, do you get a toilet paper roll holder? I do not see one in here. Let's see. And you can see the light through there because that's your pass-through that I have the doors open for. Ah, looky there. There it is. Found the toilet paper roll holder. Golly, I stumbled through that. Found the toilet paper roll holder. I just got so excited I forgot how to talk. All right. Coming over here is the nice one-piece fiberglass shower along with your trifold glass. I like how it's frosted like that. You actually have a place too to hang your towels as well. And you do have a nice upgraded large exhaust fan in here. Usually they're, you know, just about this big. So that's nice to see that larger exhaust fan. And you do have a porcelain foot flush toilet with pretty ample space to do what you got to do. All right, coming in here to the bedroom, you can see you do have a little bit of a step up, but that's the only carpet other than what's beside or underneath the couch. So very minimal, not much carpet in here. I like that. You do have a sliding door here instead of a pocket door. You've got the fabric door there. All right, and this goes all the way through. So I do like that you have a big clothes closet there, along with a hanging rack up top. Okay, let's check these drawers. They're smaller, but hey, that's okay. They work, they help. This is a control for your big exhaust fan here above your bed. So I do like that. It's not some smaller little fan there. Big storage here on the side of the bed, along with a deep pull-out drawer. Put this back up here so I don't lose it. You do have headboard lights there, so you don't have to turn on the main light here in the bedroom, and you can actually turn those off without getting out of bed at night, so that's good. Let's check under here. Big storage under your bed. Big storage. I like that. Quite a bit of stuff there can go in there. Make sure I don't smash my fingers. All right, coming over here, let's try this cabinet. Same size as the other one on the other side of the bed. And then you have another drawer down here. Okay. Again, you do have the insulated dual pane windows. Big bonus area for storage here, along with 2 drawers down here underneath. Sorry, couldn't get that one. So I like that you have this storage in the bedroom along with this storage in the bedroom. So with everything, with all these cabinets and doors and drawers, plenty of stuff can go in here. I like that. All right, that's a look at the inside. Let's go take a look at the outside, why don't we? I mean, we're already here, right? Okay, so coming out of the door, you can see that you do have the MORryde solid step, or the steps above. It's what they call them, the Goodyear 16-inch tires. I do like that. You have a nice awning here that goes for a good part of the campsite. Over here, you've got speakers, and you also have an entry light right there as well. You can see those frameless windows. Here's your furnace. Here is for your, this is your water heater. So this is a 10-gallon electric, gas, or both heater, water heater. Here's your pass-through storage as well. Nice big open pass-through storage. You can see that you have here, you have your battery trays behind this door. And you've got this front storage up here as well. So you can see that. Really nice big open area too. You've got the Kurt Rotoflex front pin box on this one. Again, you can see this is the 265 RDS. Nice aerodynamic cap. LED lights all the way around on the outside and inside. You can see you've got rollers underneath that slide out here for your wardrobe. Again, this is a Fox Mountain made by Northwood, a 265 RDS. I'll say it again. Here are your propane tanks. Here's the other side of that pass-through storage. There's a nice light for your non-camp side when you're taking care of your business here, emptying your black tanks and your gray tanks. You can see under here how thick the slide mechanism is too on this rack and pinion of this one. I really like this unit, the way that it's built too. It's the back side of your refrigerator access. You do have electric stabilizers here in the back, so you can see that that's how those work. There's your cord plug, and here is the pass-through storage in the back behind that dinette that I showed you. I really like having the extra pass-through here on the back as well. There's a 2-inch receiver. Also, that's only good for 250 pounds, so be mindful and careful what you put on that. Nice big storage back here. Okay, let's climb up on the top and see what we got up there. Okay, so here on the top you can see you do have the extra 15K. That's not a 13.5, that is an actual 15K AC along with a 45-watt solar panel. And you do have your upgraded Dometic vent up there too as well. Okay, back on the ground, as you notice, this is a nice sturdy ladder. It's actually screwed into 2x4s on the other side of this wall. A lot of manufacturers only use like 1x or something like that, so that is a really nice sturdy ladder. You can see you do have LED lights all the way around, and there's a picture of that big beautiful frameless window here on the back. Once again, I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. I greatly appreciate it, and if you don't mind, go ahead and give me a like if you like this video. If you have any questions about this unit, let me know. You can give me a call here at this number. You can always go to RVsNorthwest.com and find out the current sale price that we have on this unit. Again, I do not share prices just because they could change, and I don't want to misrepresent and mislead you on the pricing. So yeah, if you like this, let me know. If you do get over to RVsNorthwest.com and you find something you like, give me a call on that too. We can talk about it, and I'd be more than happy to discuss further. So again, I greatly appreciate you being here, and until next time, safe travels everyone.